Hello, ladies and chemists. I'm Damon Matt, and this is The Lab. We have two very special guests on our show today, Professor Nye Bill and his assistant Kevin Bradford. Welcome, gentlemen.
Thanks for having us on your show, Damon.
This is such a great experience.
Yeah, that's enough out of you. Anyways, how you feeling today, Nye?
I'm feeling like a proton today.
Are you positive?
Haha, yes.
Well then, what do you have for us today, Nye?
Well, today, Damon, I have interesting facts about two amazing compounds, acids and bases.
Well, Nye, what are acids and bases?
An acid is a compound that contains one or more hydrogen atoms and dissolves hydrogen atoms when in water, while on the other hand, a base is a compound that produces hydroxide ions when it is dissolved in water.
Sounds interesting, Nye. Do they benefit us or do we use them in our daily lives?
We use them all the time, and yes, we need acids and bases for our body to function normally.
Yes, this is very true. Acids and bases are used in everyday human's life and it's very useful. We can even eat them. Bases don't taste as good though.
Why are bases not as good?
Well, bases have more of a bitter taste that can maybe be hazardous, while acids have a tart and sour taste to them. Bases are not usually foods.
That's very interesting. What foods and other things do have acids and bases in them?
Lemons are acids because of how they have the sour taste, and not all foods that are sour are acids.
That's so cool. What other items have acids in them?
Well, you can see if it's an acid by seeing if it ends with ID, E, ITE, or ATE.
Can you give us any other examples with these letters at the end of them?
Yes, sodium hydroxide is an example, and we use it to make paper, textiles, drinking water, and detergents.
Wow, so do you think my Tide detergent at home has some sodium hydroxide in it?
It probably does.
That's extraordinary. I thought you said acids were foods though.
Acids can be in foods, but they also in many other items. What is cool about these acids is a certain type of ants. Ants have acids in them, and mostly powerful ones, and powerful bite or sting.
So do red ants have acids in them?
Yes, they do.
How marvelous!
Indeed, experiments can also be made when an acid and a base mix together.
Are you going to show us this demonstration of this experiment?
Yes, I am. Kevin, go fetch the instruments.
Yeah, boss. Here we go. Mentos and Coke. Here we go, boss.
Now why do you have some Diet Coke and some Mentos?
Using these, we can make a great reaction using between Diet Coke, which is an acid, and the Mentos, which is a base. Combining these will make a great reaction like a tornado volcano reaction.
That sounds very interesting. Could we see it?
Of course you can. Let's go outside.
Catch us outside. Oh yeah, let's do it.
All right, now we're outside. Now we should do it. All right, we'll do the experiment. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I got it.
That's marvelous! New set? Yeah, our old set kind of got burnt down.
Ooh, chair.
Hey, get out of my seat.
Sorry, boss.
Now, aqueous solutions are... Wait, I forgot to tell you how to tell what a base is. You can tell what a base is by telling if it has OUS or IC at the end of it.
Now I can always tell. Thanks, Nye.
You're welcome. Now, finally, an aqueous solution is a solution in which the solvent is water in a reaction.
Can we use these in our daily lives?
Yes, we can. We can use it when we have strep throat.
How?
We can add salt and water and to make salt water, and the person that has strep throat can gargle the water, and it helps fight bacteria because of the salt.
That is amazing. Why salt though?
Because of how it is made of anions from an acid and a cation from a base, so it creates a perfectly balanced germ fighter.
What is an anion and a cation?
It's any atom or group of atoms with a negative charge, while a cation is a positive charge atom or groups of atoms.
That is why a grain of salt is perfectly charged, because of both having positive and negative charge, and it makes it completely balanced.
Well, I guess you learn something new every day. Thank you guys so much for coming out today. We really loved having you.
Thanks for inviting us here.
That is all, ladies and gentlemen. This has been the lab. Signing off, Matt, Dave.
I love you, Mom!
We use them all the time, and yes, we need acids and bases.
Don't make a face! No!
We use them all the time, and yes, we need acid and
I said acid and...
We use them all the time, and yes, we need acids and bases to have our body function.
You're so close.
We use them all the time, and yes, we need acids and bases.
Oh my God, Ronnie.
Oh my gosh.
We use them all the time and we... Can you punch me? Like punch me in the arm?
Go.
We use them all the time and yes, we need acids and bases in order for our body to... Nick! We use them all the time and...
Dude, you're fired.
We use them all the time and yes, we need acids and bases.
Ronnie. Acids in.
2, 1. Wow, that's cool. Do you think my Tide detergent at home has some sodium? Wow, so do you think my Tide detergent at home has some sodium? Ronnie, what is that?
Ronnie, go in the corner.
Alright,
Face
I'm
the
ready.
corner.
I have it right here.
Face
I have
the
it.
corner.
Ethan, I have it right
Oh
here.
yeah, that's his corner.
This is
I
my
have it right
corner.
here. Yeah, get in your corner, please. 3. Wow. So do you think my Tide detergent at home has some sodium hydroxide? Wow. So do you think my...
Oh, it's still recorded.
No, wait.
We're
I
on
got
his
it right here.
corner.
This is the take. This is the take. Wow. 1.
They're probably.
Give me my thing. Let me see it. Let me see it.
That voice crack really?
Yes, I am. Kevin, go fetch the instruments.
Yeah, boss.
Yes, I am. Kevin, go fetch the instruments.
Yeah, boss.
Wait.
Did you record?
Oh my God.
I didn't hear it because of squeaking. Because of how it is made, an ion. Ethan! Because of how it is made, anions from an acid and a cation from a base. Because of how it is made from a anion. Yeah. Because of how it is made from anions. Oh, I messed up. It's not from anions. Because of how it is made of anions from an acid and a base. Acid and a. I forgot. An anion is any. Dude, why are you laughing, bro? You already laughed. It's any type. I don't think I'm getting it back. That was like the one
Anion?
run. You want me to start like later? Why are you still recording? Nick. Nick.
That is all, ladies and gentlemen. That is all.